everyone, and welcome back to another week of Techy Tuesday. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to access the brand templates and brand kit inside of your new KW Canva account. First up, we're going to navigate to canva.kw.com. It's going to ask you to log back into your command, and then it's going to take you right to your Canva account. If you are not aware, when KW merged with Canva, they were able to put all of their international brand templates inside of Canva for you into each of your accounts. To navigate and find those brand templates, we're going to go over to the left-hand side to brand. And then when this menu here is decompressed, you're able to see brand kits and brand templates. If you're not seeing this menu here, odds are this menu is closed. You can hit the hamburger menu in the top left corner to open it. Now on brand templates on the right-hand side, these are all of the different brand templates that International has added for you guys. Most of these were also inside of Command Designs, and they brought them over into Canva to make it easier to edit for you guys inside of your new account. Now there are quite a few different templates. It just keeps going and going. At the very top is where you're going to be able to filter and customize what you're searching for. So at the very top here, you can search all of the brand templates. So for example, if you're looking for an open house flyer or a social media story, I can search open house, and if it fits that design, it's going to be on this page here. Also down here, you're able to customize based on the type of folder you're looking in, who the owner of the design is, the category of what you're looking for. So this is probably the most that you'll be using. You can search by Instagram post, story, recipe card, presentation, poster, logo, and more. You can also search by when was this date added, when was it last modified. This little icon over here will turn all of this into a list. Now you are able to access any of these brand templates just the same as any design. When you click on a brand template, you then will see this button that says use this brand template. It's going to make you a copy and put it on your home page. We also have this brand kit section here in the top left corner. Inside of brand kits, International has put the brand kits for KW International, the luxury division, and the KW commercial division. What's inside of these kits are all of the KW logos. They also have the equal housing opportunity logo in here. All of the color palette for International, so if you're looking for that specific KW red, you can find it right here, and the fonts that they use for most of their designs. Additionally, you can also find the brand template section on the projects page. Under projects, you'll be able to see almost everything that you have in this KW Canva account. So up here at the very top, we have your recent designs, these folders here. We will do a full another video all about folders, how to access them, how to create your own, and what that's going to look like. Down below we have designs, and then we have the brand templates down here. So you're able to see all of the brand templates again here, but if you're wanting to search more specifically, definitely go to the brand section on the left-hand side. Thank you for watching today's video. Keep your eyes out for next week's video. We'll be diving into that folder section, showing you what folders were added by International, other brokerages, and your own brokerage. Stay tuned!